Good day everyone, you are welcome back to Idowu Math class. Example 3. If log 2 base 10 equals xk, log 3 base 10 equals root y, and log 7 base 10 equals 2x. Evaluate log 6, log 0.6, log 1.4. Let's start from Roman figure 1. Log 6 is log 2 times 3, and that is log 2 plus log 3. Substitution is the next thing. What is log 2? Xk plus, what is log 3? Root y, and that's the answer. Do we understand? Roman figure 2. Log 0.6 is the same thing as log 6 over 10. If you want to reduce to the lowest term, be sure you have the representative of what you are going to get there in the given logarithms. If you reduce this to the lowest term, 2 here 3, 2 in 5, and 2 in 10, 5. You have log 3, but you don't have log 5. That is where you will face challenge. So don't bother to reduce it to the lowest term. Leave it that way, and you have log 6 minus log 10. So this is log 2 times 3 minus log 10 base 10. This is log 2 plus log 3 minus 1. Log 10 base 10 is 1. Substitution next. Log 2 is xk. Log 3 is root y, minus 1. That is it. The last one, Roman figure 3. Log 1.4 equals log 14 over 10. Do you understand? This is, before you simplify, as I've told you, think of what will be the repercussion. At times you simplify, no problem. But at times your simplification will land you into a kind of stuck situation that you will not be able to move forward there. So leave it without simplification. You have log 14 minus log 10 base 10. So this is log 2 times 7 minus 1. We have log 7 there. We have log 2 there present. So log 7 and log 2 plus log 7 minus 1. Substitute. Log 2 is xk. Xk plus log 7 is 2x. 2x then minus 1. That is the expression we get as our final answer. I want to believe you are now familiar with things like this. Logarithmic substitution is very interesting. So, and there is no much about it that you have been exposed to. Let's move to the last example I have for you on it. Given that log 2 equals x, log 3 equals xk, and log 7 equals y, evaluate Roman figure 1. Log 18. Log 18 is log 2 times 3 times 3, which is log 2 times 3 square. In turn, you rewrite it as log 2 plus log 3 square. This is log 2 plus, apply the common law here, 2 log 3. Now, time to substitute. What is your log 2? x. 2 into, what's your log 3? X squared. So x plus 2x squared is your answer. Can you see it is interesting? Good. Let's go to Roman figure 2. That is log 35. See, 35 can only be broken into 5 times 7. You see that we have log 7 here, we don't have log 5. You want to say, maybe this is a mistake. Maybe the examiner, the people that set this question, they make mistake. They don't make mistake. They expect you to, to think outside the box. See what I want to do. I will write log 5 times 7 times 2 divided by 2. Look at this manipulation. You can see that 5 times 7 is 35. So I use 2 and look at one of my given logarithm. Given logarithm 2, given logarithm 3, given logarithm 7. I look at one of them that I can use to manipulate the 5 that is strange to us. 5 here is inevitable. There's no way you break 35 into factors that you will not have 5. 5 times 7. But 5 is not part of what is given to us, and we cannot use what we are not given in this case. So what are we going to do? I now think of using log 2 to manipulate log 10. So there are 2 times to manipulate log 5. That is like strange here. So that 2 times 5 will give us 10 to be able to dodge under the common law. Do you get my point? So 2 divided by 2, 1. It's like multiplying the numerator by 2, dividing the denominator, dividing it, the answer also by 2. It's like I don't do anything to it. That is different. But it will make a way. Look at it. Log 7 times 10 divided by 2. That's the simplification I do there. 2 times 7 is this 10. So 7 times 10 is 70. Divided by 2 is still 35. I've not changed anything. I've only manipulated the values. So I now go ahead to write 7 times 10 minus log 2. Do you understand? This division line is changed to minus. So I write log 7 plus log 10 minus log 2. Substitute now. Log 7 is y plus log 10 is base 10. Put it there so that you can know what you are doing. Log 10 base 10 is 1. Then minus log 2 is x. Answer is this. That is the answer. It could be arranged in different ways. It could be y minus x plus 1. It could be 1 plus y minus x. Anyhow, but that's the answer. So, the last one, Roman figure 3. Log 15. See, look at log 15. There's no way you break log 15 that you will not have 5. Still, the same challenge we face here. 3 times 5. You will have 5. But 5 is not given to us in the logarithm. So we cannot use extraneous material or value. So you now have to say this is log 3 times 5 times 2 divided by 2. I use 2 today because it is only 2 I can use to manipulate 5 to become 10. Having 10 will give us way out because we will use common law. So this is log 3 times 10 minus log 2. which is log 3 plus log 10 minus log 2. Log 3 is x squared plus log 10 is 1, because log 10 base 10 is 1. Put it there so that you can be conscious of what you are doing. Log 10 base 10 is 1 minus log 2 is x. So you can rearrange as x squared minus x plus 1. And you may leave it the way it is. That is the end of the whole story. Here is the assignment I have for you. Lay your hands on the assignment, and I trust you will do everything perfectly. Don't forget to invite your friends. If you really enjoy what you see in this channel, don't forget to invite your friends to subscribe to my YouTube handle at Idowu Math Class. Till we meet in the next class, bye.